Hi. So this is the one hungry soul here. There we go. But I think she was more interested in these mango trees, which is actually very nice. Just have a look. So beautiful. Fresh mangoes. Absolutely wonderful. All the way to the top. How beautiful is that? So I did tell you I'll show you what car I'm driving today. So here we are. This is what we are driving today. The Grand Cherokee. The most luxurious SUV in its class. Give you a walk around. We'll show you the inside later on. I think you'll catch glimpses of it as we go along. Yeah. Okay. So now you know my car number plate. It's big. It's very comfortable and extremely luxurious, and just the driving in it is absolutely, you don't feel a thing. And of course you see the front as well. So that's the front of the car. So signature 7 grills of Jeep company on pretty much every car of theirs, but it's the size and what's inside is what matters. We like to stay in this hotel because it's right on the highway, so you don't have to take a detour going to any towns or anything. You just come in here, and there is the second car. Chiku Kumar, Fortuner. Kothai gechi? That's number 4040.